hiking to Ojcowski National Park. It is nearby Krakow. You can go to this park by public bus or by taxi or car. It takes around 1 hour from center of Krakow. You can take bus, no LRO. During this hiking, you can find so many shops for breakfast, coffee, and lunch. It is very easy hiking for kids and old people. A lot of people go there with their family and kids. Once you go out from the bus, go to right direction followed by this rock and you are good to go to right way. This is just a beautiful view around the beginning of hiking. Please wait for awesome view. It gonna show you during this video. The weather was sunny and perfect on that day. But even you can go there if weather is not so good because the path is not hard. This is Polish Mountains cheese. I always try whenever I go to Polish Mountains. It's very tasty and price is just 5 Polish current. I recommend you to try. This is amazing view which helped me to go further and further to find nice view. And I saw so many tourists going on the same way for hiking. If you like cycling, this park is very nice and comfortable route for cycling people. You can also carry your bike in public bus because there is back trolley just to carry by sea. This is Krakowska Brama, very popular spot for Instagram photos. If you want to impress your girlfriend, you should take her to this spot and click some nice photos. Beautiful rock just behind the hiking way. As you see on the video, a lot of people go there with small kids. It is a popular destination on weekends. I think people should go and enjoy their time with nature. It is also very popular for running. If you like running, you should go there for running with such amazing view and fresh air. This is a place where I stopped by and ordered zapakanka, which is very popular Polish items to eat. The price was around 15 Polish currency, which I find very affordable in mountains that is far from city. You can also find washrooms nearby, and it was for free of cost. It's time to eat zapakanki that I have ordered. I have ordered vegetarian one and in my opinion, it was nice and tasty. If you are new in Poland, you should try. I went to hiking on the easy way to mountains. It was like 30 minutes to go on the viewpoint to see the beauty of nature. The way was not so hard and I met so many nice people on the way. This is once aging welcoming tourists in the national park. have some renovations or something, but it would be nice to explore it as well. Buy some presents for your friends and family members. In my opening, the price was not so expensive. If you like football, you probably know this polished football. I am on the way back to bus stop. It was super nice experience. I highly recommend you to go there to spend some hours with nature. This is a church with its nearby bus stop. I waited in seat there like 30 minutes, then returned back to Krakow.